nya afiri ne awoye mu baabi a betumi aduru ewa asetenam ne nyina gina ne awode hyem. So the next begging question, the next question that readily comes onto my bilabial and say dean ye ka say ne awode hyem a eye dean ya. Ne awode hyem no, it can be money. It can be time. It can be diligence. It can be consciousness. Ne awode hyem betumi aye wo mre. E betumi aye sika ene dwete. E betumi aye wani kuma e be kum ade no a wo pese wo ye no ho. Ye toaso biem no ene se den na wo ye na no pe. Ebi a wo ye tailor ni, ebi a wo ye seamstress. Enche bia ye bekeka akwa Christmas yi. Se Nyankopon to me nsem na ALUTA makoto material na me de abro se pempam mame. Na eja me so me ne Eugene no me yemfa Nante Street kakra. Se me de material na ma wo de ye den. There are people in this country. Ye ne omo nete. Wo betimi ato material de akoma no. Sometimes we bekokro beka to se material na yira. But me akọ na wa charge you na watua na wa ka kire say 1 week time 2 weeks time come for it obekọ no na ompam ye. Sometimes you ra obi shop ne night tete ho na wa ka kire na bofra say on ka kire say wonni ho tie basa ne awode ahye wadwuma no ye nkontompo ne awode ahye wadwuma no ye naada nti say me ba na ye me sa me ma ho bio na obi a menim ni bia nso no me ka kire ne say mo mba wo nchen bio because unye ni papa. So what you give is what you get. The ones I feel quite transy out pamon once na because be am funny be Emma Hobio. A dear be a we are say if you cry a mechanic. Oba Kumasia. For the few months that I've spent in Kumasi, and I said Bronubiano, you get a mechanic there. And he said, Uye fiteni na obi transia na masay, obi that the pongo assay, so the brewa ya we and a a trite knowledge. So obi kura obekọ na wa de na nseye onim se bi a amonchem kakra or the de boto a ebe yi but obeka kire so ade na sei oda ahwa na de kro no awatu na wa boto no wasan de ahye ho ama enni gina na ade no a wogi wo hu sika na ase asei ti se me hunu se sa na ote a me ma ho biem what you have invested, what you are given to this world, and they say you are not a serious person. Ebi a student primarily and ordinarily, or results be our benyabiano is a reflection of your hard work and what you gave. Of course, I am not oblivious of people or more high intelligent quotient. Sending Yankopon Sibu ni panobio ha not green. So we use 1 hour, maybe or not the 10 minutes. Now I pick it, but those people are very few. If you take the ramifications and the very architecture of the academic structure in this world, those people are very few. Largely, people that you met, they are average people and a little above average. So you need to put in effort. Did you say na Saturday? Say me family ngoma kotena ho. Say me won so head them anim. Na ebia you so etisi mountain so. Na bi okọ klabe kakra. You don't expect life is very funny. You don't expect say akotena so here no. Onu free club on emra. Wa bra wo ye an average student just like me to come and dominate me. Yes sanity enye dwuma. Ti abrabom una anim ba bi awo. And they una anim ni awo ye. Ni ampese obisa ho anopa ne say what are you given? What are you investing into what you are doing? No kwasem pa ne say the result ensunsanso a ubenya ewa ade bia woyem anamo bia wutu bia mu no ne fapem ene ne farebai ene ne awode ahyem. By way of reiterating what I have said, me say me guardian angel na say me kan che say I am a Catholic. Catholics we believe in angels. Ejidi se nipa bi onam wiase bia no wo bofo a Nyankopon assign na mawa o hwe so. That is why consistently I'm using a guardian angel. Ti me bofo hwe so fo na se me kai wa no pay say you get what you give. What you put into fence is what you get out of them. Hwedi ampon enka me no ho. Oma nyansa a ejina brane. Na yehunu ne ye wose ye de hye ne ayeyum. Na de bi ayeye bia no. Etumi etumpon e de amayen. Indeed, you get what you give.